Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the admissions of a partner, and in this topic I am moving towards the third methods of the goodwill, treatment of goodwill when a new partner is admitted. Conditions number third method, when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, share of premium in cash. So, here before to start the third method, please recall your first two method. First is paid privately the goodwill by new partners. Secondly is goodwill bring in cash. But now I am moving towards when does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. So when situations number one is referring to the real aspect of the vendor does not bring the goodwill in cash. So here when the partner is not bringing the goodwill in cash, just to compile with your cash system. Cash system is referring to the cash to premium for goodwill first when goodwill is coming in cash. But because here the goodwill is not coming in cash, so this entry will not be passed. So directly the second entry is the premium for goodwill account debit to the old partners. So now you may see here in place of the premium for goodwill account debited, in place of we are writing here the new partner's current account. So what does it means? The second entry which you passed for the cash transactions, bring in goodwill in cash, premium for goodwill debited, in place of that you have to place the new partner's current account. Suppose the C is coming, then C's current account will be placed here with his share as usual, and to the old partner's capital account. So in the sacrificing ratio again, when I am talking about the old partner, I am talking about the sacrificing partner. So that's why the sacrificing ratio will be applied among the partners, those who are sacrificing. So listen again, the one entry is needed here in place of two, new partners current account debit for the not bringing the goodwill part as cash, and to the partners capital account means sacrificing partners capital account. So these three methods are there. The first is paid privately, second is related with the bring in goodwill in cash, and third is doesn't bring in cash. But the fourth case in this method is the combination of the cash and does not bring in cash. So listen the second condition here, when the new partners brings only the part of his share of goodwill. Suppose I am taking his shares 20,000, bringing the goodwill 5,000 in cash, and 15,000 does not bring in cash. So these are the combined method. When you are using cash, you may use cash system, and for the 15,000 does not bring in cash, use does not bring in cash system. So here the combinations are the both. So I am talking about the first, the cash to premium for goodwill. If I have taken the example of the 5,000, so it means you have to place here the cash account debit to the premium for goodwill with the 5,000. The amount out of his share is coming in cash. When it is in the premium for goodwill, it will again debit it with the 5,000 as the second entry pass premiums to old partners with the 5,000 in sacrificing ratio. But when the 15,000 is there, it means the new partner's current account will be debited to the old partners. So because the old partners are credited with the cash system or the non-cash system, so we have the combined entry premium for goodwill with the 5,000, and the new partner's current account will be debited with the 15,000. So it means the 20,000 will be debited here, and the same amount will be credited to the old partners capital account, means the sacrificing partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. The person who was sacrificing only can get the amount of goodwill. So I think the data is clear. Again I am talking about the when goodwill bring in cash in the business, then cash to premium and premiums to old partners. But when does not bring in cash, then the new partner's current account, so the old partner's entry will be passed only. So this is the combined entry of the both aspect. So I think the methods are clear to you now. So you have to make the practices from the back exercise, and thank you.